Hi, I'm Shellye Archambeau, a former tech CEO, Fortune 500 board member, and author of Unapologetically Ambitious. Take risks, break barriers, and create success on your own terms. As much as we may like to believe otherwise, ambition alone is not enough to be successful. There are many ambitious people in this world, but only a fraction of them accomplish their highest goals. That's why I wrote this book, to share the strategies, approaches, and tools that have worked for me, and that I suspect may work for you too. Now, success means different things to different people. When I was a teenager, I decided that I wanted to be a CEO one day, but maybe you hope to make a scientific discovery, or create a beautiful piece of art, or change your community for the better. Whatever it is you are striving for, this e-course will cover some of the challenges that you may encounter, plus some useful suggestions that may not be on your radar. From dealing with impostor syndrome, to building your reputation, to finding the right mentors, the road to success can be bumpy and often takes some unexpected turns. But with an intentional, dedicated plan in place, your vision of a fulfilled, successful life can become reality.